Hello, you all. I hope you all are doing well. Thanks again for tuning into Luminous Guide. I really appreciate all your like, share, subscribe. And if you haven't done that, please go ahead and do that. This is your time. Okay, so this is just a quick discussion or maybe a thoughtful message. While I was meditating, I got this message in Plus. As you know, I also get emails. Not as many as like 1,000 2,000 emails, but I do receive emails frequently. And this one very specific email that caught my eye, and I've replied to this person. The email was all about that 2020 was very crappy and 2021 does not really look that great. So it said that I'm feeling a little depleted, I'm feeling a little not sure, what do I do? So tarot is not an answer uh, for you to go ahead on what you need to do. The answer is okay, so let me simply put it, right? A lot of us do make New Year's resolution. I don't per se make New Year's resolution, but there's a vision board that I maintain. So I know what I need to envision for the coming year. And there's a lot of checklists that people have. Some wanted maybe to apply for an examination, some wanted this particular job, and a lot of things that you're working on. And it has not materialized for a lot of us, but that's okay. That does not mean that we go under the rock and just sit there and think, okay, it's not happened, because the very minute when we say it's not happening, you are sending negative vibration to the universe, because the universe does not understand words, it understands vibrations, right? So if it's not happened, it's okay, just think that it's happened and keep saying that this has happened, like as if it's happened in the present, and you're enjoying that moment, so you don't procrastinate, it starts happening to you. However, since it was a request, I'm going to pick a quick card. This is going to be really quick, as a message on what you could look forward for in this year. So one just flipped down. Okay, okay, it says trust. Okay, so let me read this. Your intuition helps you today, not just your eyes. So for a lot of you, this message is a pretty strong message that says you need to start building trust in your own intuition. Okay, not just on what you see, what you hear. You need to start building your own intuitive self. Maybe you need to start meditating on yourself. You need to take a pause, need to take a step back and really think what is it that you're looking for to achieve in this year, and manifest that goal. But before that, you need to trust yourself, you need to trust the capability in you. Okay, so that's the message that is very strong here for whoever resonates with this. Also, I'm going to pick a quick tarot card just to see what's happening. Just a quick one. Okay, it says Princess of Summer. Okay, so yeah, it talks about staying optimistic, right? See, it's just perfect, right? The universe is asking you to be intuitive, trust yourself, and then stay optimistic. Do not doubt yourself about it. It's time to go after what you dream. See, this is such a perfect reading. I mean, I didn't make this up, I'm just doing this in front of you, right? It was just a thought, and the thought is now into words, which is coming out of my mouth as messages from the universe for you, my friends. So let your creativity take flight, get away from this negative mode, do something that expands your horizon. Okay, do something that expands your horizon, stay optimistic. That's the first thing. You need to start sending positive thoughts out there for the universe. See, all these affirmations and all are quick fixes, okay, but then you need to also believe in yourself. That's extremely important. And for a lot of you, if you are having a goal in mind and there is something that you've planned, if you've started working on it already, I think it will be accomplished. Okay, let me just pick a card. Okay, two of them, which says summer and January. So maybe you can start working on it from now, and 2022 January it should be accomplished. So do not feel depleted. 2021 is going to be your year if you want it to be your year, okay? And I leave you all with a lot of best wishes, success and love. And please do not forget to comment if you like this video, and if you want me to do more such videos, please do let me know. Right? Bye bye.